Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of The Cattleman's Wife. My name's Kim, my husband Scott, and son Ransom and I, the three of us, run a cow-calf operation here in South Central Kentucky. Today, we are cleaning house. It involves a skid steer loader, a pressure washer, a pallet fork, and a wood pallet. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This has been bugging me for a long time. Scott is on a pallet and we're raising him up in the air so that he can reach the upper level of the house to pressure wash it. Yeah. Do not attempt this at home. Here's the after. Yay! It's all clean. So I'm just out on the four-wheeler taking a ride through the cows. Kind of got me to thinking about how many calves we've had already. I think we're at about 75 and we only have a few first calf heifers left to calve out, and then we'll be done with our spring calving season, and it's just really been a blessing so far. I'm pretty sure our count, we've lost 3, so 3 out of about 80, whatever percentage that would be. I don't know. We wish it could be better, but it is what it is, and we're thankful for the ones that we do have here and that are doing well. So you can see everything's greening up. And Ransom and I are going to do some skid steering now. So we're out here doing a little cleaning up today, Ransom and I. Scott's spreading fertilizer. So we're going to clean up some limbs that fell. Get in there in a minute and I'm going to learn how to use the grapple. I've never used it before, so that's one of the implements that I've never used yet. We also got a stump grinder, which I'm super excited about because we've got a lot of stumps to grind and we've never used it yet, but we're going to be putting that into use really soon. Now let's go check some cows on the other 2 places. Come with us, y'all. We got some chainsaws loaded up. So we've got the groceries stacked up over here on this farm for those cows. We've got a load of silage, and we're having to bring in hay from another place. With this hay looks to be like it's a little weathered, so I guess when he unrolls the outer layer, there's probably some really good hay in the middle. I'm not sure what cutting this was from, but yeah, this is what we're going to be feeding over here on this farm. We've got some telephone poles here that we're going to be using for our fencing project with the heavy hitter. And so things are stacking up on us and spring has sprung, so we got a lot to do. So, we've got a poplar tree coming down. Right here. This tree. I hear cows mooing. So this tree's coming down because it's throwing a little bit too much shade on this garden here, so it's going to go. Okay, so what's the plan? Are you just going to start cutting? Hello? What's the plan? I don't know where to stand to be in safety. I guess he expects me to use my common sense, so I'm assuming it's going to fail into the garden instead of up here toward the road, so I should be good. Right? Guys, I'm sorry, this is not glamorous, but this is just everyday life on the farm. Sometimes there's a tree that has to come down. You know, not everything involves big equipment. Not everything involves, you know, something that's high energy, but this is just real life here on the farm. Cutting trees today. Kind of slow YouTube day. You did it!
Yes. Now we're going to go over here with the boom saw. Install some limbs on some of them other ones. So we can open up that little spigot. So they can stay down through here.
So, he's also going to use this saw.
We're going to go over here now.
A boom saw? Is that what that's called?
Pole saw.
A what?
A pole saw.
A pole saw. Okay.
Across here.
Yeah, I've got my phone. So he took that tree down because it cast too much shade on the garden. And so now it looks like he's just going to cut some limbs. He said to clear a thicket up, so I'm not sure what we're doing or why we're doing it. But this is one of those things that I'm not paid to think about. So that's going to be sweet. Holy Jesus. Okay. We're going to cut down a tree, he said. A tree. And check some cattle. Okay. This looks like a widowmaker. Yeah. Oh, gosh. This man. Oh, Lord. There we go. This is not my idea of fun. Thanks, guys, for watching this episode of The Cattleman's Wife. It's starting to rain on me, so I'm going to put the camera away. But until next time, guys, God bless y'all. Thanks for watching.